Hello viewers, now we have to discuss another topics in the statistical subject, that is what is the merits or demerits of measures of dispersion, that is what is the advantage and disadvantage of the measures of dispersion. So we discuss this advantage and disadvantage of measures of dispersion. That is, it should be rigidly defined, should be readily comprehensible, based on all observations, easily calculated, little affected by extreme observation, affected as little as possible by fluctuation of sampling, and amenable to mathematical treatment. The, the condition regarding fluctuations of sampling and ambiguity, fluctuations of sampling and amenability to mathematical treatment are the most important form of theoretical standpoint. The range can be calculated very easily, and it has a simple and very direct meaning. But there are serious limitations of this measure. First, it depends on two values only, taking no account of the form of the distribution within the range. Second, it is unduly affected by the presence of extreme values. Thirdly, it is comparatively sensitive to fluctuations of sampling. Fourth, it is unsuitable for mathematical treatment. In spite of these drawbacks, it is a useful measure of dispersion provided the number of observations is small, say less than 6, and the ease of computation is regarded as a crucial factor. The quartile division is easily calculated, readily understood, and is not affected by extreme observation. On the other hand, it ignores the form of the distribution, has an uncertain sampling behavior, and it is quite unsuitable for algebraic manipulation. Nevertheless, it is superior to the range as a rough measure of variation. The mean deviation possesses many of the desirable properties mentioned earlier, but it is rather awakened quantity from the mathematical point of view. But the mean deviation has the advantage of being rather less sensitive to variation in the form of distribution than either the standard deviation or the range. The standard deviation is by far the most important measure of dispersion. It is highly amenable to mathematical treatment and is comparatively stable under fluctuations of sampling. That is, it is easily computed or readily understood, is of secondary importance in the face of its overwhelming advantage. Except when case of computation of is a prime concern, the standard deviation is almost invariably used as a precise measure of dispersion. So viewers, we have to discuss the advantage or disadvantage, that is merits and demerits of the measures of dispersion. In next time, we have to discuss another topics in a statistical subject.